I'm sure a lot of people may be getting after some weekend activities. Maybe you're just coasting through, going into the work week. We are looking at some rain to start the day, so something we want to keep an eye on. But we're also going to be talking about the same old heat, something of which that we really couldn't shake off as we left the weekend and pushing into your Monday. You would think things might be a little bit cooler with some of the rain, but it's actually going to stay pretty warm for us with a high around 87 for today, yesterday at 89. And you can see over the past several days it has just been pretty hot and humid for the most part. Even on the days where we were in the low 80s, it was still very muggy out there, and much like this weekend, we're starting things off today with some rain that's moving through, but fortunately a lot of this is pretty weak, mainly just looking at some light rain that's passing through north of I-70, some heavier rain up towards the lake shore in northern Ohio, but for the most part that looks like it'll be missing through a good chunk of Bucyrus, where you saw some of that heavier rain just about an hour or so ago. Still looking at some light rain that's passing over towards Mansfield, northern Delaware County, Marysville. Might see just a few light showers. Other than that, this is going to be the bulk of the rain that we're going to see during the daytime hours today. A few light showers passing through this morning. Otherwise, things looking pretty clear here in town. 72 degrees. Winds are light out of the south-southeast at 5 miles an hour. It is going to be another hot day for us. So if you're going to be missing out on the rain, you're going to make it up by feeling like you're in the low to mid 90s. And that's going to be the case through pretty much a lot of people, considering how most of this rain is going to be passing through to our north this morning, where we will expect to see a bit of some cloud coverage develop, but then clearing out going to the afternoon. Highs will be pushing near 90 degrees for some of us again today. And then I expect things to stay pretty dry. Could see a few pop-ups going into the day, but honestly, it looks like the bulk of the rain that we will be seeing again will be arriving, if not right after midnight or shortly before, or we could see a few storms come into town. But honestly, a lot of this is going to be weakening as it moves in. So timing-wise, things are going to work out nicely to where we're probably going to miss out on a lot of the intense rain, which we're not looking at any severe weather threat, but we're still going to be looking at a decent amount of rain that's going to come through the rest of the week. You can see going to Tuesday, again, we'll see a few showers come in. That'll keep things relatively cool, and that's going to be pretty much the case through the rest of the week, too. We're talking highs actually into the upper 70s for us going into your Friday. Saturday looking wonderful as well, 78. 70s at night, not so much, but we got a few storms that'll come through. Again, expecting a lot of this to weaken as it pushes through right around that midnight hour. Otherwise, things looking pretty unsettled going into Tuesday. Should be a mainly dry start again for us, kind of a similar image to what we are looking at this morning for your Tuesday, but then better chances for showers and storms picking up across central Ohio as we head into the afternoon. You know the drill, kind of bubbling up into the afternoon and evening, where we'll see some showers and storms then linger into the early part of Tuesday night and then going into Wednesday. And we're actually going to have another front that's going to come through later this week on Thursday that's going to bring just a small chance for some rain. But with that, much cooler temperatures and lower humidity will be returning for us as we head into the weekend. So Tuesday is the day, of course, we're going to pay close attention to. We're not looking at any severe weather risk for us, but we are going to keep an eye out for the potential for some heavy downpours leading to some localized flooding in spots. Wednesday and Thursday, both showing at 30%. Again, nothing of which is going to provide any widespread inconvenient weather, but we will see some lingering showers going into your Wednesday morning. Then again, with that secondary front that's going to come through, it's going to be pretty weak. You probably won't even notice it because we're not going to see much potential for rain, just a chance for a passing shower. And then cooling off, talking about temperatures into the 50s for us as we wrap up the work week. Temperatures will be into the mid-50s waking up Saturday. Looks to be a very nice weekend ahead, where it looks like we're going to see temperatures actually looking like they're going to be into the 70s and 50s through a good chunk of the weekend for us. We're going to continue to stay dry, and then more sunshine and slightly cooler than normal temperatures for us as we head into the following week.